Globally, waste pollution is a serious issue. According to the World Bank, over 2 billion tons of solid waste are produced each year, and one-third of it is not properly managed. Plastics, in particular, can take hundreds of years to decompose, harming animals, poisoning soil and water, and adding greenhouse gas emissions. If this continues, global waste generation is expected to rise by 70% by the year of 2050. This shows why laws like RA 9003 are not just important, they are urgent.
Republic Act No. 9003, also known as the Ecological Solid Waste Management Act of 2000. It is a law that promotes a systematic, comprehensive, and ecological way of managing solid waste here in the Philippines. It was created to protect public health and the environment. It promotes proper segregation, recycling, and composting, and encourage everyone from the government to individual citizens to take full responsibility for waste management.
So what can we do as a students and faculty of JRU? Start small, but start now. Segregate your waste properly.
This law prohibits open dumping and burning of garbage. It emphasizes segregation at the source, which means separating waste right where it is produced, whether at home, in schools, or in offices. It also promotes the 3 Rs, reduce, reuse, and recycle, and requires the creation of materials recovery facilities or MRFs in every barangay.
RA 9003 is not just a law, it's a reminder that sustainability begins with us. Let's all take part in making a JRU model of environmental responsibility and a cleaner, greener community. Bring your own tumblers and containers instead of using disposable plastics. Join environmental group and participate in cleanup drives. Educate others about proper waste management and practice the 3 Rs, reduce, reuse, recycle, every single day. Basura mo, responsibilidad mo. Together, we can build a healthier, safer, and more sustainable future for JRU and for the generations to come.